Gong hei fa choi. I'm Lucas Sin, and we're going to be making some egg dumplings. Egg dumplings are dumplings where the skin is made of egg instead of flour. It's related to Chinese New Year because it looks like an ingot, like a yuen bow. So the outside is mostly an unbrowned dumpling skin that is made from egg and starch, and the inside is a regular dumpling filling. So today's is very, very straightforward.
We're going to make enough for 2 people. Here are the ingredients.
It's pretty important to use your hands for Chinese cooking because then you're literally squeezing the flavor in and you're extending the protein strands. If you use chopsticks or something, it's just gonna take longer.
Now, let's prepare the egg wrap.
This is basically your wok. This is your cooking utensil. So if you're using stainless steel, it's pretty important that you season it. Before each dumpling, you want to put a tiny bit of oil, either with a brush or a paper towel, all over the inside surface. Let it heat up for a couple of seconds on medium until it's shiny. And then we're going to put about a tablespoon of egg in there. And swirl it around. Try to make a nice circle. And then the tiniest, about a teaspoon's worth of filling on one side, usually the side further away from you. And you adjust the temperature of this by taking it on the heat and off the heat like that. So that's the fold. You see the inside is so liquidy. Press the sides. Seal it like the regular dumpling. Push the air out. Flip it. Yeah, there you go. After this first cook, you can steam it again. 4 to 5 minutes later, this is what your cooked danggok should look like. So it's a little bit whiter because the egg is fully cooked, and you'll see that a little bit of air bubbles, it's a little puffed up. That means the inside pork is cooked. This is good to go. Okay, so you can eat it on its own, but you can also add a little bit of soy sauce if you want. It's like a keto, no carb dumpling. Make sense?
It's tastier than regular dumpling.
Really?
Yeah.
There are a lot of really good dumplings out there.
Because the skin is lighter than a regular.
Right, you're right. Yeah.
I would eat.
You can do whatever you like with it. I like to do a version with the inside is beef, but if you don't want to cook it the second time, you can stir fry the beef, cook the beef first, season it. I usually make it a little bit spicy and then wrap the egg. No starch. Cool.
Thank you. I will make this at
Thank
home.
you. Ay, ay, ay. This works, right? This is okay? We cut it?